Hello guys, we are back with a Photoshop tutorial because this is the basic which like I got a few doubts like how to clip mask a subject on Instagram and all the social media where I post my regular projects of Photoshop. So here's a quick tutorial how to clip mask a subject. So first we will take the size of A4 because I have two reference images which I already downloaded in my laptop. So then those two images are A4 size. You can select any custom size you want. I'm just for an example I'm taking this. So this is the artboard and it's not to the maximized full screen. So for that we will press Ctrl 0. So Ctrl 0 we will get focus of the artboard, and here I will import the two objects which I already downloaded. This is the image 1, so I will just drag and drop in the Photoshop and it will perfectly set to the A4 size because the image is A4. So we don't need this background, so we can just simply press the key delete, it will delete the background. Now I will import the another image which I took of a girl with holding a skateboard. So we will just drag and drop in this layer, okay, and we will reduce the opacity to just see that how I don't want this girl to be this below, like I want this face and the shoulder thing to be popping out because we are doing a popping out clipping mask tutorial. So I will just select this layer of the girl, press Ctrl T and just like adjust it above here because I want that head to pop out from this black paper tearing thing. So I will just adjust it. Yeah, this looks fine to me. So now again back to 100%, we will increase the opacity. We will hide this girl layer because we don't want it right now. We will click on this paper cutout thing and then we will go to this magic object selection tool. In that magic wand, because to select the area which we want to clip, we need the area on a separate layer. So for that I am going to click the magic wand tool and just press left click on the area which you want to select. So I just selected, but here there's a problem. See, you can see these areas are not selected. So to add area in the selection, just hold shift, it will add the area. If you hold alt, it will subtract area, but we want to add, so we will hold shift and just press a left click on the area which is not selected, and boom, it will select all the areas which were not selected. So this is the selection. We will just press Ctrl J to make it on another layer. So we got the selection of the paper cutout thing on another layer for clipping the mask on this layer because we want the girl to pop out from this layer. So we will convert that layer into a separate layer from the original image. So now we got this layer. So now we will unhide this girl, and I want this subject of the girl which will be clipped in that black paper cutout thing. So for that we will select the object selection tool and select the subject of on this. Make sure you are on the image which you want to select the subject of. So it will take few seconds, you can say, to select the subject, and after selecting the subject you can clip mask it on another layer. So like we got the selection of the girl. If you don't like the selection of the girl, you can refine it however you want, but right now the selection of the girl is looking fine to me. So I will just press Ctrl J and you have a selection on a different layer of the girl, but I don't want these shoes which are coming out from this paper and there's no sky which is added. So for that I will just unhide this layer and just hold alt and go between the layer which I want to clip mask. You can also clip mask from here. You can also clip mask the object by right clicking on the image and there will be a create clipping mask, but there is a shortcut which you can use for efficiency of the time. So hold alt and you come between the layers and just left click, so it will mask it. We will select the move tool, so it will mask the layer on this black paper cutout thing, because we wanted to mask in this, and you can see like it's this girl is coming out from this, but it's not like what I want, because for that I want to erase the shoes part and the skateboard which is coming out from the paper cutout thing. Like here it's fine because we want it in that perspective. So we will go on layer 2, which is the girl cutout layer. This layer, we will unhide this layer. We will just select the eraser tool, and we can increase and reduce the brush size by square brackets. If you press the right square bracket, it will increase the brush size. If you press left square bracket, it will reduce the size. So just erase this thing, because we don't want the shoes which is coming out and the skateboard here. So it will only erase the thing which is in this layer. Like you can see what all got erased. It also erased this, but that does not make any difference, because this layer has the original image which is clipped mask into that. So we will unhide this, and this looks like the girl is popping out from the paper cutout thing. So this was a pretty simple and basic tutorial of how to clip mask, and our image is ready. You can play with this with any images. Just for example, I took these two images to explain how you can clip mask and create a 3D effect of something or someone popping out from the hole or paper cutout or anything, whichever. So this was just an example of a tutorial. The image is ready, and we will plan more Photoshop tutorials for you, because everyone, when I post on Instagram, everyone there are my few of my colleagues and my friends who are asking for how did you do it. So I'm thinking to continue this Photoshop tutorial series. So yeah, we will meet in the next video with amazing Photoshop tutorials. Till then, see you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.